all the snow came off in two different directions, that side and above us, and crashed down right there. We got dumped on, buried in snow, and we got so much snow on the roof that it had, well, we had like over 2 feet sitting up there, and it was warming up. And normally it comes off slowly, but I knew it was going to come off all at once. We got this weird warm wind and the temperature was rising, and I was like, oh man, this thing's going to projectile off the roof in a manner that it's gonna crush our dog kennel and our dog kennel house. So luckily I was able to make the precautionary measure of getting the dogs out. Could have been really bad, because we have two different roofs angling straight towards the dogs. Here's what I'm looking at. So you know that those kennels right there are about 7 feet tall. You can see how much snow there is here. And this is all packed. Like, it came all the way out to here. And you can see the depth of the snow there. And it completely crushed the roof. There's no more snow up there to fall, so we're good. I know some of you might be like, well, why'd you put the kennel right there? Well, we were planning on moving it. We knew that we didn't want to keep it there, but then both of us got the crud, and it took us about a month. We're still not 100% over it, so we didn't get to make a bunch of precautionary measures that we had planned on making this month. Look at that thing. It is just mangled. Bent everywhere. That's the pile of snow. Look at that right next to it. You can see it. Go in the kennel, Czar. Czar, kennel. You're not in trouble. But you can see how much snow just blasted off the roof up there. Everything's pretty solid. I checked it. So I'm actually using that right now. The doghouse is built super strong. You could set a truck on that thing and it wouldn't collapse, but we've got about a foot of snow above there. It's held on pretty good. I checked it, but I like how it's funneling all the heat right now for the dogs. But look at that, just plowed right through there. My poor roof build. It was doing so good. I'll tell you what it doesn't handle is 2 to 3 feet of snow and cubic yards of it coming down, crashing down all at once. That snow right up there in that corner, it'll melt out. That snow never falls. It always just waits till it melts out. But these big flat shots like that, and like that one right up there, this is the kind of snow that'll fall off a roof and kill a person, bury someone. Because it comes down and it compacts at the same time. But you can see this dog kennel is about done. Darn. I guess this gives me one more dog kennel roof build video. The destruction of the dog kennel roof. My DIY, fast and easy, cheap dog kennel roof, demolished. That's okay, Czar. We'll build the next one even smarter. Czar, that's okay. We'll build the next one smarter and better and easier for everyone, huh? What do you think, Shedsy? What do you think, Sheds? You still got your bow tie on? Sheds, quit chewing on my sticks. I might have to reuse those. Because I'm always trying to save money, Sheds. All right, everyone. Please hit the like if you found this entertaining. Hit the like button if you're sympathetic. Make sure this doesn't happen to you. We're gonna chalk this up to a fail. And don't get sick when you still have a lot of to-do list stuff just before snowfall. If you like tips and tricks and how-tos, please subscribe to our channel. Take care, everyone. We'll see you on the next one.